Hello friends, this is Gary, a tennis import and export manager. We are showing the PP plus PE isolation gun today. This is a real medical use isolation gun, which is made by PP plus PE materials. PP inside and PE film outside. This can use in medical place, but this isolation gun is more complicated than PE. They can make swelling by hand or ultrasonic sealed. Also using the typing to cover the junction. So their specification difference from the level 1 to level 3, you can see, for medical grade. We have product videos on our channels. You can go to our channel to check the details. Check our channel first video list, you will see that. Okay, you can see all the quotation details, specification, price, package, loading, and also free service, inspection service, and payment terms. Oh, that's all. Okay, finally, if you are like our quotation videos or want to know the more details, please contact me in this information or leave a message to me. Okay, before that, please do not forget to help me click like buttons and subscribe our channel. Okay, see you next product video.